Welcome, Ingebeth, to today's episode of Sofa Talks.
Thank you.
You are a project manager within iShare. That means you get to help customers implement iShare. And obviously, with that, you have a lot of experience from today's topic, which is typical challenges and time wasters in invoice processing. So let's just start with that. Like, if you could, give me some examples of what are those typical challenges and time wasters, like before implementing a system like iShare?
Well, I think typical challenges and time wasters are finding the correct approver, finding the correct information on the document, and ensure correct coding on the document. We see when we are out with our customers that there are a lot of accountants that do both pre and post audit of invoices. That is very time consuming. Internal invoice chasing, trying to find out where in the process the document stopped. And also remind the approvers to approve their document. Late approval can lead to late payment fees, and that's something we don't want.
Guilty.
Yeah.
I guess we all been there.
I guess we all are, yeah. So I think that's some of the important time wasters.
Yeah. That's a great answer. So, but if you were to implement an automated or AI-based AP system, then what are the specific benefits that you see an accounting department gets out of that?
Accountants would get a real-time view of all the invoice process. It will ensure the correct coding, maybe finding the correct approver, freeing up time for the accountants to focus on other things. I think that's important for the accountants. It will also stop potential errors, maybe prevent fraud, because the AI is trained to stop what it's supposed to stop. Explainable AI will use the information on the document together with the information on previously coded invoices to find the correct information.
That is very interesting. How do you see the role of accountants changing then in the future? Should they be worried at all?
No, they shouldn't. No, they shouldn't. But I think the accountant role will change. I think we will free up time to focus on maybe more important things for the accountant. And I think accountants will lead us into the digital age by using time on other things than coding invoices.
I think that is a very good way of looking at it, right? So with AI, we don't have to be afraid of losing our jobs. We can just focus on perhaps things that could create even more value than what we did today. That's quite exciting, I think.
I do too.
So since you have massive experience with implementing this, I have to ask you, specifically for accounting departments, if you have a company or a potential customer that they're not sure where to start or if they should start at all, what kind of advice would you give to them, Ingebeth?
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Start by using AI.
Very shocking.
Yeah. Well, AI is the future, and it's important not to fall behind. It is moving fast. I think taking small steps is better than giant leaps.
Yeah.
So get started. You have to get endorsement by the leadership. There has to be a focus on wanting to implement. There is some change management that needs to be done in the organization. People are going to change their job responsibility, their days will be different. So you need to have everyone on board. Focusing on information, training, support to make everybody comfortable with the new phase we're going into. So I think that's important, yes.
So the message is clear. You have to get on the train, otherwise there might not be a second train. And we don't want to see potential customers fall behind. No,
that's true. And I think AI is coming.
Yeah.
For accountants, efficiency is key.
Yeah.
And we need to move along.
Look, thank you so much for being here. I think that's great advice. Hopefully we can have you on the show some other time. So yeah, with that, let's just wrap it up and say thank you.
Thank you.